So a little bit of video just to show you how to drill the catalyzer. So this is the second part. I didn't show on the main line, but I'm reviewing it here. The same thing, just drill all around in the middle, and then use your file or this kind of tool, hammer it on the side to block it apart, and then remove the little leftover. So here I drill. It's quite easy actually. Well, one hand it's not a bit difficult with only one hand, but you can check it. Something difficult here. Try another plate. That's it. Okay, so I'll show you later more. I hope you got it. You see it's raining here, so I'll take a break. So I drill, and you see I start to hammer it. Separate the catalyzer from the metal. And here, so I don't know if you can see. That's it. That's it. So I'm going to remove it. A bit tough because one hand. So let me put my glove on. I need two hands. It's too hard. So you understand? Drill through, hammer it, remove, and polish inside. I'll show later. So here it looks. So drill, hammer the side, split it from the wall. So that's something I did. Actually, this one was a bit easier than on the main pipe. So this is what they call the catalyzer, where the gas goes through and a lot of dust. So wear your mask, your dust mask, when you do this, and gloves. It must be very sharp edge, I think. So now I'm going to finish, remove neatly this, drop the thing, and I will be all done. Maybe later I weld a piece of metal inside, like this high, so I can connect to the main pipe in need, in case I need to do a vehicle inspection, or just put it back as it was. Okay guys, that was just a little video to show the removal of the catalyzer, and I use I think it's a 10 on my drill, 1.5 ampere, just good enough, works fine. Thank you for watching, see you in a bit.